Hello guys, I'm Robin, and today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to download and install Python and also PyCharm. So first thing first, we're gonna go to our internet browser and then search for download Python. The very first result is the download link for the Python, so just go inside it and you're gonna find download Python 3.9.1 in my case. So once you click that, the setup file will be downloaded to your local computer, and go ahead and install that file and go through the setup processes. Just continue, agree, put your password and then hit install. Now the Python is installed in our computer. Yeah, just move to trash. To check whether the python 3 is installed or not, just go to the terminal and type python 3. Then you'll see like this, the Python 3.9.1 in my case. So and to exit that, just type exit, exit, and two braces. So now we know that our Python 3.9 is installed. So now we are going to install PyCharm. Search for download PyCharm. Go to the website. You're gonna see this two version here. One is professional and one is community. I'm gonna go ahead and download the community version. All right. Okay, it's completed on my computer. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that. Yeah, once you drag it, it's gonna copy to our computer, and then we just can close it and search PyCharm. You can go to the menu, application menu. I just like to search from Spotlight, so hit open. This is the first page. We have no project at all. This is the welcome page. So we have options here, color themes, and you can change light, dark, whatever you like. It depends on your preference. All right. So let's just open our new project. Here you can see we can change the name, we can change the environment. Here we can change the location as well. And a base interpreter is the language, which language are you going to use. Let's create a main.py welcome script. Just leave it checked. It's gonna show us the welcome program once we went to the next page. Just hit create once we are done with this, and it's gonna take some time at the first time. There you go. This is our welcome script. You see this program, this is the the first program. It says main.py. the file name is main.py, main file, and we have all these menus here, external libraries, and our file, the project. This is our project, Python project 3 is our project. And in order to run this file, just go to the run menu on the top bar and then press run main. So we can see the output at the terminal window there, window at the bottom. So alright guys, that's all for this video today. Make sure you guys check out my other videos, and please do like, share, and subscribe. That will really help my channel. Thank you guys.